chocolate candy. Okay, I think it's some prawn paste. Right now it's about past midnight. I just ordered some food on Grab. I was walking around, no stores open, so I have to order from Grab. This is my first time ordering anything on Grab in Vietnam. It's some vermicelli with tofu and boiled meat. Smells so good. Smells like KFC. Like fried chicken, that smell. Ooh, it's my first time. So we have fried tofu here, cucumber, boiled meat, and seasoning, I suppose, and lime, 2 lime, tiny ones, and I think mint leaves. And what is this? Chocolate candy. Is this a dessert or like a thank you thing? And we have vermicelli at the bottom. Yeah. This is kumquat. Take a look how they package this. The straw is bent and attached to this knot, so it doesn't move and it's very secure. Very smart way of tying it. Nice. It's a bit sweet, but it's very mild. It's good. Okay, I don't know how to eat this, but I have no idea how to eat this. It's freshly fried. It's warm, but I know it's freshly fried. Crunchy. I think it's some fried fish cake. Very nice. Okay, I think it's some prawn paste. It's very strong. I think it's some prawn paste, yeah. Okay, I think this would stink up my room, so I need to throw it out later. Whole thing costs $100,000. It's not cheap. I mean, I'm comparing it with street prices, so I think they adjusted the... I like it. I just don't like this. Like, I think it's some fermented stuff. I was thinking of ordering McDonald's, but hey, come on. I'm already here. I should be ordering something local. And McDonald's, I don't think is very cheap, so I'm not gonna eat this on the table. It fall off. I just recovered from a very bad stomach. I think this is quite healthy, yeah. If it's a supper or a normal meal. I'm very satisfied with this meal. Chili. So next time if you are in Vietnam, you came across something like that, you should give it a try. I think it's quite nice. I don't see this everywhere. I just happen to see it on Grab, so yeah, it's good. Kumquat. Quite refreshing. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please.